play country blues. With my arms around you, baby, all I can say is hey. Well, hey, 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 baby, hey. I said, hey, 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 baby, hey. I said, hey, 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 baby, hey. All right, that was Hey Hey. We are in standard tuning. Here is my low E. Go ahead and tune the rest of the way and we'll be in tune together. Now what I've done is I've combined the 1952 version, the 1957 version, and also a little bit of what he did in the live video footage of him. He doesn't really stray too much in the three different versions, so whatever one you're familiar with, more or less is what we're working through here. Now we're in the key of E, which means we need an E, we need an A, and we need a B. Now instead of going to our B here, we are actually just going to take this A and move it up a whole step. So this is where our B and our B7 are going to come from. There's the B, there's the B7, there's the A, there's the A7. And then we've got this E, which we're going to do this nice little walk down, going up to the 4th fret with this E7. So if you take a D7, move it up a whole step, you've got your E7. We're going to move it down a whole step, which is going to hint at a B7, back to E. And I like to use this B to the A as my intro. So the way that I like to start it out is like this. B, and I'm going to use 5th string bass over the B and the A. That's A, and the melody, just barring that A, doing a pull off on that 1st string, that A7, making it an A6. Then we're going to go to the 5th fret on that 2nd string, back to that A, back to that, to E. Then the walk down, and that's the intro. Now what we all want to play here is just 2 parts. We have what he sings over, the hey, 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 baby, hey part, which is simply just going to the E7. Again, if you just go to that 4th fret, make a D7 chord shape, you've got your E7, and that 6th string bass. And you can hear the vocal melody in that. Hey, 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 baby, hey. Hey, bop, 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 ba-da, ba-bop, bop, bop. And I'm obviously using my thumb for the 6th, but now I'm actually pinching here, and I'm using a 3-finger pinch, which is something that I enjoy doing, where I'm doing my index, my middle, and my ring. So index 3rd, middle 2nd, ring 1st. But you don't have to use all 3 strings. You can pinch just 2 of them. Or you can brush. Either technique works. Again, we're just going for that vocal melody out of that E7. Hey, 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 baby, hey. A, hey, hey, baby, hey. B, well, away, hey, hey, baby, hey. And that's one part of what he does. Now, when he's actually singing, he may play more or less notes when he's not singing. So if he's singing Hey, Hey, Baby, Hey, when he goes to that A7, you might just hang on that A7 and not go. You don't have to sing over the top of that. You can just go Hey, 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 Baby, Hey, and then back into it. So you can play less when you're singing, play more when you're not. So that's part 1. Now part 2, we're going to take this E chord and we're going to slide it all the way up to the 7th fret on that 5th string. So again, take this E chord, remove your ring finger. So now we just have strings 5 and 3. Take that fingering up to the 7th and the 6th frets. With our ring finger, we want the 8th fret on that 2nd string, leaving our pinky to grab the 9th fret. And that's where the fingering we need to play this riff. I got this fingering from the live footage. You can see him making this fingering for this. Now you might ask, why can't I just go... Why can't I just do that or do a simpler fingering for that? And the answer is you absolutely can. There's no reason why you have to do the fingering I'm showing you. I'm just showing it to you because that's what he did. And one thing that is important to me and my ears is this pickup note on that 3rd string. Ba-da-ba. So that to me is very important, which you don't get if you're not making this fingering. So that's just something to consider. If you want that pickup note, you have to finger it to get the pickup note. Then we just go back to A, we do the B, we do the turnaround, and that's really the whole song. We want to end. The ending I chose, again, D7, walk it down to E. Now I took this from the 1957 version, which we're sliding on the 6th string, 4th, 6th string to the 4th fret. Then we got the 5th string on the 2nd, 4th to our E. And I really liked that in contrast to what he did where he's going, where he's just dancing around those strings there. So I'm sticking with the bass run because I think it's really hip and I really like it. So those are all of the moves that we need for this song. If you are struggling with any of the sections, check out the tab. I'm going to slow it down and we'll play through it together.